Meeting clients here in Symphony Park. You got the Strathmore Music and Arts Center right behind. Beautiful day, a little chillier, but it's beautiful. Here we go. See how it goes. You know, one of my pet peeves. I don't like those dirty. Just saying. It's easy to fix, but you should have done it. And again. Clean it before you put it up for sale. Simple. So we just finished up. Very impressive. They liked it a lot, and we are going to talk about this some more. It's a really awesome little community. Again, if you come up this way, up the path, you can literally go watch a concert at the Music and Arts Center. So prime location. There's a farmer's market right down Garrett Park, which is right down the street. And then you can walk to the Metro. You can walk up to Java Nation, Hank Needles, their live music, and even Whole Foods. A little bit more of a walk, but still completely doable. Symphony Park, and we'll see what happens with this one. But definitely liked it. There were a couple in here, and one was definitely heads and tails above the other.